You are in this situation that you're trying to install a new copy of the Mac OS. You did the correct steps to attempt to install the new OS. Everything seems to be working fine, but for some reason you got this message. Now what? It is not possible to pass this screen no matter how many times you try to reset, restart, and do the process again. Don't worry, this is a very common problem. I am going to show you how to solve it in just a few clicks. This process works for all of the Apple computers, iMacs, new or old, MacBooks, MacBook Pros, Mac Mini, etc. If you're still in this screen, go to the top left corner, click Utilities and select Terminal. If you already turned off the computer, turn it on, press and hold the option, go to System Recovery, click Utilities and Terminal. Here, we're going to type date and click the Enter on your keyboard. Again, type date 0712122318 and hit Enter. Okay, now you can restart your computer. After doing this, your installation should work just fine. Do your steps as usual to restore. Press the power button, hold the Option key, and now you can continue the installation. Once the installation is completed, there is one last step to do. You need to go to System Preferences, click Date and Time, and adjust the clock and date. And you are done. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, click the like button and subscribe.